right, let's see if I can fit this in a minute. 3 p.m. update, January 15th. This is Weathersmith. I'm Jeff. That's Charlie. All right, let's talk about what's going on. We'll do the slides first, and then we'll look at the models. 50 for high for tomorrow. Winds steady at 15, gust in the 30, even 40 mile per hour range. I'm going to update this tonight. Probably bump winds up. For Southwest Missouri, 44 for high tomorrow. 20 mile per hour sustained winds with gusts 35, 40 miles per hour there as well. Again, I'm going to update these tonight. Moderate risk for fire weather tomorrow, starting late morning, going through the early afternoon period, and then dropping off once we get into the 6 p.m. time frame. Everybody in the area is under some form of drought. The most critical areas of the drought, severe drought, which is just a level 2, for northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, southwest Missouri, and then it kind of just expands out from there, diminishing in coverage. Let's talk about tomorrow and what is really the agitator. We've got a cold front that's going to move through, a clipper system that's going to bring some precip. I said precip, not what you're thinking. All right, we got rain. We've got winds moving through southeastern Kansas, central Kansas. This is 2 a.m. Friday morning, overnight tonight. I was about to hit the wrong button. Let's play this through here. 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. now along I-44, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Joplin, coming up to Springfield. This area is 35, 40 mile per hour winds. So it is going to be really rocking and rolling in the morning on the commute. 6 a.m., 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, we still widespread high winds across the area. Winds today are out of the south. Overnight, when that front moves in, those winds are going to shift, allow colder weather to sink in. 10 a.m., 11, noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. That's as far as I'm going to go at the moment. Yes, winds have died down. However, RH values have plummeted as well at this time because of the winds. Everything's dried out. So we're going to see spread rates tomorrow. Let's go back one. In the 175, maybe 190 feet per minute range if we see any fires that get going. So, like I said, high chance tomorrow between 11 and 5, 6 o'clock-ish, seeing this take place. All right, moving back over to the models, and I just noticed I'm at 3 minutes. This is definitely not a minute video. All right, let's look at precip. 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. The fronts move through. 540 line is well in southern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas. We're dealing with the 528 line, which means winter weather possibilities. All right, so 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, 11, midnight. Yes, there's a lot of green and there's a lot of blue on the map. We're super dry, though. It's going to take a lot to get precip to make it to the ground. There's going to be a lot of Virgo. Let's get into the evening on the humidity. This is 7 o'clock. We start seeing green on the map, which is good. That means humidity is returning. But we need those blues. We need those dark blues before we start seeing anything remotely making it to the ground. By 10 p.m., we start seeing a little bit over northeastern Oklahoma, far southwestern Missouri. That could mean some snowflakes. That could mean some light sleet or even rain or a mix of the three as it works its way southeast. It's not going to be a mass event. It's just going to be a nuisance if we even make it to that far. All right, that is really it. That's all I wanted to go over. We're now at 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes. I will have another update later tonight. I may break it up where we'll have a pro video and then we'll do a public video as well, just to get the information out there. And then, of course, the pro videos I dig a little deeper on. All right, have a good one. We'll talk to you later.